What's up, guys? Welcome back. I figured I would take you guys out for a little cruise. I currently have my brother, I don't know if you guys can see in the mirror, but he's in his brand new car that you guys have seen in a couple of last videos. But we're gonna go try to get some pictures right now, and you can kind of see 2019 Mustang. It's really sick, Gen 3. We're gonna go try to get some pictures and just get out for a little cruise. Figured out to film it because it is pretty cool having two cars. And that car is actually extremely loud. I mean, I would almost argue that it's probably louder than my car. And my car doesn't have cats, and I'm pretty positive that one still does, which is pretty insane. If you guys haven't, go check out the last few videos that I posted with that car. It is a new build to the channel too, so it's gonna be really cool having another car on the channel. He is gonna be doing a lot of stuff with that, but he still does have to go to Mustang Week and everything. I'm probably gonna scrape right here. Yep, scraped a little bit. It's so crazy. I need to adjust that clamp under there because it's kind of turned a little bit on me. But he is planning on going to Mustang Week with us. After that, I mean, I don't know how much stuff he's going to do before Mustang Week. I think he may maybe try to lower it a little bit, and I mean maybe do a short throw shifter or something. But other than that, I mean, yeah, I think he's just going to rock it as it is. Faster too, which sucks because I mean I love this car and everything, but I mean I'm itching for boost on it, but I'm also itching for one of those. So I feel like the smarter thing is just kind of, I can't even talk because it's so loud. The smarter thing is to be able to just go buy one of those and have that as my daily or whatever it may be. He has auto rev match, I don't, so he's technically cheating right now. That thing is so loud. Like I was saying though, I think it'd be really good to kind of keep this car the way it is right now. Still do some stuff here and there, but maybe go get like a Gen 2 or whatever it may be. I mean, just some form of a Coyote. Like I have a newer car that's still able to make content with, and it'll still be a whole lot more reliable going places. Because, I mean, there's times where I really don't care to drive a new Edge everywhere. I'm sure a lot of people can agree with that. I don't know how many people is actually out there that daily in new Edge. I mean, if you do, I'm sorry. Like, you probably understand whenever I say that. It's fun, it's nice and all, but like, it sucks. Plus those cars are just a whole lot smoother and everything too compared to this, but it's 20 years difference. I still want to keep this because it's still a really cool driving experience to hop in like a 20-year-old car and just, you know, feel, I guess, what it would feel like to drive one 20 years ago. But I would love for this car to have a Vortec on it. I'm not gonna lie, I've kind of been looking, can't justify paying for a brand new kit, so like I would be looking for a used one kind of, but I'm still on the fence about it because like I said, I want to go get one of those. I think it would just be the better fit for me. Plus that car is just way easier to build in a way. I mean, for power, but I'd still love to have this thing sitting right at that 500 mark and like have it cammed and everything. I mean, I don't care for this thing to be the fastest. I just want this to be a cool street car. That thing is so loud. Because I think it's only a resonator to the V. 500 over there. Like redoing all these roads, so it kind of sucks. You have all this stuff that's torn up. At least it's not like loose gravel, it's just kind of torn up. shifter, but it kind of grinds like that. That wasn't the transmission grind, that was the actual shifter. I don't know if you guys could even pick that up or not. It's kind of spooked me a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, because I thought I grinded the gear and missed it, but I didn't. That's one thing about this car, it's just so like sketchy to me. I mean, there's so much stuff that's just always happening. But I don't want to get rid of it because I know eventually it'll be something really, really cool. I mean, it's cool now, but I think I've just gotten so used to what it is. I don't really appreciate it all the time. Got an F80 in front of us too. I think it's an F80 M3. It's kind of funny because it's like what he was looking at, just a 2-door version. Necessarily a channel car because I feel like most people love Mustangs that watch me, but if I could always have one of those, that'd be really sick. If you haven't, go follow him. It's, I think, Cole50. It's right there on the screen. He just made it, so go check him out. I mean, he also made my videos. Rev matches, it just does it for you. The computer's so smart in those cars. I need an S550 so bad. I did another first gear pull because my GoPro turned off because it overheated, but I guess that's what I get for trying again. I just miss a gear. There's a bridge coming up, so I'm sure it'll be loud though. Why my phone like won't charge. Just whatever this car charger I bought sucks. Doesn't even stay plugged in. I guess that's what I get for buying like a little like cheap one off of Amazon. They had really good reviews though, so I don't know why it's sucking for me, but it does. just in case you guys want to see a little walk around of his car. I mean, I know you've seen it on the last few videos, but it's a really clean car. I mean, it makes me really want an S550, I'm not gonna lie. Especially just driving it, it's such a difference compared to the new Edge. But if you did enjoy, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, do all that good stuff, helps me out a ton. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.